Yo!
Yo!
Oh, stick.
My ID is 30 and the wind. Hello, how are you girls? You said like that?
How you girls? This is Abseilers, a rope access technician
From?
from New Zealand.
Okay. Because I can walk over here. Oh, shoot. If I fell down, I will swingly. It's a tough game, bro. Cause we are tough. You know what I mean? Gang type shit. Let's get ready. What's up, gang? Welcome to my channel. So, yeah. The weather looks amazing today. The sun wants to set. The sun wants to rise, but the cloud is hiding the sun. Anyway, forget about that one. Three of us are abseiling here. The job is building was. We are in Oriental Bay. It's a beautiful place over here. Three of us are abseiling here. It looks like this. Myself, Mr. Ryan, Mr. Afi. Three of us are abseiling here. The job is building was. So today's work is from here. First we set up the rope from here. Then we go down. Down there we need to set up again another rope, and then we start our work on downside. So here he is setting up first rope so that we can go down and set up our next rope to do the work. Let's fucking go. So in today's work, boy's gonna jump into the water. That's why they are wearing this kind of wet weathers. Jumpsuit. He's also wearing jumpsuit.
Yeah.
What did you say yesterday?
See my gloves.
What did you say yesterday? Hello, how are you girls? You said like that?
How you girls? This is Abseilers, a rope access technician
From?
New Zealand.
I will bring that one. You can keep it down.
Sure.
Yeah. Do you know how to go down in carabiner? Only in carabiner.
Only in the carabiner?
Yeah.
No. You know how? You know how?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, let me take a video.
Yeah, later.
Yo! Oh, stick.
So this is the setup. Y hang, and then another Y hang, and then I need to do a rope transfer again today. Again, rope transfer, but fuck it, I'm gonna do it because I'm tough abseiler and I'm Dr. Abseiler. So Y hang, and then mop, and then water hose. Boys are already down there. They're doing their work. Now it's my turn to jump. Let's fucking jump. Here we go. Oh shit, I got stuck somewhere. Oh my goodness. Water. Water. Straight. That should be fine. Perfect. Look at how we work. That boy was sleeping, sitting, sleeping, and then doing the work. That's how we do work. That's how we do work. Perfect. No, I can stand. slack. Under the slack, bruh. Oh shit. Under the slack. Under the slack. Under the slack. What the? Under the slack. Lock the handle. Under the slack. Because I can walk over here. Oh, shit. If I fell down, I will swingly.
3 hours later.
No. Let me chuck in this one first. Let me put the chest scroll. This is the easiest rope transfer I have done. Easiest rope transfer. That's it. Oh my goodness. Stay up. I don't need you, Brandon. Brody, I don't need you. Take it off. Flip it here. And you're ready to go. Take it off. And you are ready to go. Chuck in here. Remove the dog. Not needed now. Walk slowly on that side. Don't sleep. Don't sleep because I have a Spider-Man power. You can remove your chest scroll now. Okay. Go on that side. Go on that side. Okay, it's perfect. Easy rope transfer. And then we are here. That's it. Oh, it is you. Now cam remove. Sender.